Want to make your car last twice as long and avoid those nightmare repair bills? Imagine never having to worry about costly breakdowns or sudden engine failures. What if a few simple tweaks could add years to your car's life and keep it running like new? In this video, we're revealing 3 powerful additives that will protect your engine, boost performance, and prevent expensive repairs. Ready? Let's dive in and future-proof your ride. 1. Engine oil additive. Think of your engine like your heart. Without proper care, wear and tear can lead to serious damage. Over time, friction and heat can cause vital engine parts to grind against each other, leading to expensive repairs. But a high-quality oil additive, like Liqui Moly Ceratec or Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer, creates a protective layer that reduces wear, improves lubrication, and enhances performance. Less friction means a longer-lasting engine and better fuel efficiency. Not only will you prevent engine breakdowns, but you'll also notice smoother acceleration and quieter operation. So if you want to give your engine the ultimate shield of protection and keep it running like new, an oil additive is a must-have. 2. Fuel system cleaner. Ever feel like your car isn't as powerful as it used to be? That could be because of carbon buildup in your fuel injectors, which makes your engine work harder while giving you worse gas mileage. A top-quality cleaner like Chevron Techron or BG44K dissolves this stubborn buildup, restoring lost power and improving fuel economy. Regular use keeps your fuel system running smoothly, giving you better performance and savings at the pump. Think of it like a detox for your car. It flushes out all the gunk, so your engine breathes better, burns fuel more efficiently, and delivers the power you paid for. Want your car to drive like it's brand new again? This is your secret weapon. 3. Coolant additive. Overheating is one of the biggest reasons cars break down, especially in the summer heat. Your engine needs to stay at the right temperature to function properly, and that's where a coolant additive like Redline Water Wetter comes in. It helps your coolant transfer heat more efficiently, prevents corrosion, and keeps your engine cool under pressure. The result? Your engine runs at peak performance without the risk of overheating, and you avoid costly repairs down the road. Whether you live in a hot climate or just want to prevent unexpected temperature spikes, this simple addition can make all the difference. Say goodbye to overheating scares and hello to a smoother, cooler ride. So there you have it, 3 game-changing additives that can keep your car running strong for years to come. With just a little extra care, you can avoid costly repairs, improve performance, and extend the life of your vehicle. Which one are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more car-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.